Hi students, now we are going to discuss about human evolution, which is in the 6th standard social science. Term 1, lesson 2, history part. Ancient rock paintings. Ancient rock paintings.
Students, can you identify what is in this picture? This is a hunting scene in which men and women are taking part. This is our ancestors' hard work. In fact, it is the first art of humanity. Before the use of language, humans expressed their feelings through actions and also recorded in rock paintings. Ancient rock paintings. In India, we can see many paintings in rocks and caves. The rock paintings give some information about the past. Approximately, there are 750 caves in which 500 caves have paintings. There are many more undiscovered caves. The rock paintings depict hunting pictures of the male and the female, dancing pictures and pictures of children playing. So, we are able to gain some knowledge about the past lifestyle through these paintings. Okay, students. From nomadic to settled life, the world's earliest farmers. The seed of fruits and the nuts they ate were thrown into the soil. During rains, the soil gave it life. Some days later, the saplings uprooted from the soil. By observation and logic, they learned that a plant grows from a single seed and yields lots of fruits and vegetables. Seeds that fall in the river beds sprout easily. Plants grow faster in water-fed area. Alluvial soil is more suitable for plant growth than any other. With the above knowledge they gained, they realized that with the proper sowing and nurturing, they could increase the number of plants more than the ones that grow naturally. Thus, agriculture and farming came into existence. They domesticated the animals and used them in the
Farming.
During the prehistoric period, humans lived in caves and depicted their daily events in drawings. Mostly pictures of animals were drawn.
Breeding of animals now became an important part of their life. Oxen were used for plugging. Oxen made the practice of agriculture easier. Life was becoming organized. Then it was when they were hunting. It enabled them to settle down in a place. Now, with settlement came the problem of utensils and vessels for cooking and storage. The potter's wheel and fire solved this problem. The invention of plug helped the farming practices. Farming started with the clearing of land, burning the leftover shrubs. They plugged the land, sowed seeds in them, and harvested the produce. Once the fertility of the soil decreased, they moved to a new place. Initially, agriculture was done for immediate food requirement. Later, when they found out ways to increase production, they started storing the produce. The food products stored were used during the lean harvest periods. By their experience, they understood that land close to the river's side was suitable for farming, so they decided to stay there permanently. Humans thought of ways to better their skills at hunting. They found out that the dogs could sniff other animals and chase them away. So, humans found them useful for hunting. Thus, dogs became the first animals to be domesticated by humans. Following the dogs, they started domesticating hen, goat, and cow. Humans stayed on the plains for a long time. During this period, they have not only learned agriculture but also developed skills of handicraft. Permanent settlement in a place increased the yielding of crops. Now they had grains in excess of what they consumed. The surplus grains were exchanged with other groups for the other things they were in need of. This is called the barter system. Thus, trade and commerce developed and towns and cities emerged. Okay, thank you, students. I think you have understood this topic. So, now just recap a summary. Evolution means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Homo sapiens migrated out of Eastern Africa and settled in different parts of the world. Humans, with the help of the Chikimuki it means flint in English, made sharp weapons and tools. Fire was used by early human to protect him from predators, for cooking food and for the light during night. The invention of wheel is considered to be the foremost invention. It made pot making easier. We get knowledge about the past lifestyle through rock paintings.